Hello friends, welcome to A Guru channel. In this video, we will discuss about GATE 2020 electrical engineering network theory 1 mark problems. Network theory 1 mark problems which are asked in GATE 2020 electrical engineering. So first we will see. So there are two problems asked in GATE 2020 regarding network theory subject 1 mark questions. The first one is related to Thevenin's theorem. So here the Thevenin's voltage VTH in volts of the network shown below. The VTH is asked here. So we know that according to Thevenin theorem, so VTH is the open circuit voltage. So here the VTH is between these 2 points, nothing but, so this one is open circuit, that voltage is asked here. So for that the circuit is redrawn here. So VTH, Thevenin's voltage, is nothing but the open circuit voltage here. If this circuit is open, then the current flowing through this 3 ohms resistance is 0. If the current flowing through any resistance is 0, we can neglect that resistance. So likewise, VTH Thevenin's voltage is the open circuit voltage, that is the voltage across so this 5 amperes current source. And so here the 5 amperes is flowing through this node, flowing to this node. So here the current is 0, then the current will flow in this path only. So then the current flowing through 2 ohms resistance is so 5 amperes, then the voltage across the 2 ohms resistance is 10 volts. The signs are like given like this. Current entering we will note it as positive, the current leaving we will note it as negative, because resistance is a passive element which dissipates the power, nothing but voltage will drop across the resistance. That's why the current entering we will take as positive, the leaving we will take as negative, because here voltage drop is occurring. And the voltage across this 3 ohms resistance is 4 volts, because these two are connected in parallel. By applying KVL, we can get the voltage across the 5 amperes current source. For applying KVL to this loop, VOC, nothing but voltage across current source minus 10 volts in this loop, minus 10 volts, and here the voltage is 4 volts. Both are potential dropping, that's why we are representing with a negative sign. Voltage fall we will represent with negative sign, plus minus, here also plus minus. So then VOC is equal to 14 volts, or VTH is 14 volts. So this one is the first problem, the open circuit voltage. So here the key point is VTH is open circuit voltage, then we can neglect this resistance. By applying the simple KVL we can get the answer. And the second problem is related to Kirchhoff's current law. Kirchhoff's current law is nothing but the currents entering into a node is equal to currents leaving from the node. So here currents through ammeters A2 and A3 are one at an angle 10, one at an angle 70 respectively. The reading of at the ammeter A1 is asked here. From Kirchhoff's current law, the current entering must be equal to current leaving, then I1 is equal to I2 plus I3. So here, so I2 is equal to 1 at an angle 10, that we can write it as 1 at an angle theta, 1 cos theta plus j sin theta. Likewise 1 cos 10 plus j 1 sin 10. Similarly 1 at an angle 70 can be written as 1 cos 70 plus j sin 70. See here we have to simplify like this because Casio is not allowed for gate examinations. Then we have to simplify using trigonometric equations. So here we can write the equation like this. So 1 cos 10 plus cos 70. We are separating the real terms and imaginary terms. J sin 10 plus sin 70. And so here the important one is cos A plus cos B formula and sin A plus sin B formula. Without knowing this problem will take so much of time. Then trigonometric equations are really important here. Cos A plus cos B is equal to 2 cos A plus B by 2 cos A minus B by 2. So 2 cos A plus B by 2, 70 plus 10, 80 by 2 cos 10 minus 70 minus 60 by 2. Similarly, sin A plus sin B is equal to 2 sin A plus B by 2 cos A minus B by 2. That's the formula. So 2 sin A plus B by 2, nothing but 10 plus 70 by 2, 80 by 2 cos A minus B by 2 minus 60 by 2. So here 2 cos 40 and cos 30 plus j sin 40 cos 30. So both the terms 2 cos 30 is common, 2 cos 30 is common. So then we can rewrite like this 2 cos 30 cos 40 plus j sin 40. So this cos 40 plus j sin 40 can be write it as 1 at an angle 40. And cos 30 is root 3 by 2. Finally root 3 at an angle 40, that is the I1 value. So here the ammeter reading of ammeter is asked. The reading of ammeter is root 3, that is 1.732. So these two problems are asked in GATE 2020 electrical engineering paper in 1 marks network theory. Thank you. Thanking you for having your time.